All right, guys, you're welcome to another exciting moment here with us. My name is Mr. Chooks. So we're going to be doing something very different in this video. I have some of my students, they are in high school, and they are sending some of their questions to me so that I can help them explain it and so they can understand how to go about the solution. All right, so that is exactly what we're going to be doing in today's video. All right, so just pay attention if that is what interests you and tell me how much this video has been of help to you in the comment section. So now we just have to get started. Now, question one, it says solve the equation x squared minus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation, and we have many ways to solve quadratic equation. You can solve it by formula method, by factorization method, by completing the square method, and even graphical method, right? But most people struggle with factorization method. They keep factorizing what is not factorizable. So let me tell you when to use factorization method. If the discriminant is a perfect square, then you can use factorization method. What then is the discriminant? The discriminant is d is equal to b squared minus 4ac. This is the discriminant, right? If you can get a perfect square from this, then you can solve by factorization method. So now, how do we get our b and our a and our c? We get that from this equation given to us. Remember, quadratic equation is written in this form, in standard form as ax squared plus bx plus c. This is how we express quadratic equation. So when you compare this standard form and the equation given to you, you can always find your a, your b, and your c. Now you can see that your a is the coefficient of x squared. And what's the coefficient of x squared? Yeah, that's going to be 1, right? So a is just going to be 1. So a is going to be 1. Then my b is the coefficient of x. What's the coefficient of x here? You can see that is just -3. So b is going to be -3, right? You want to pick the numbers and their signs. Then my c is a constant term. So what's the constant term here? That is going to be -2. So c is -2. Now you have all of this information. You can just plug them right here and see what the discriminant is. And b is -3. That will be -3 squared minus 4.